Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the current affairs of 21st and 22nd April 2020. So let us begin from the first question. Who will be appointed as the Chief Justice of Odisha High Court? So now the current Chief Justice of Odisha High Court is K.S. Javeri, and the individual will appointed as the Chief Justice of Odisha High Court is Mohammad Rafiq. Okay, so Odisha High Court current Chief Justice is Kalpesh Satyendra Javeri. Total number of high courts in India is 24. Chief Justice of India is Sharad Arvind Bobde, and the retirement of year of High Court is 62 years and Supreme Court is 65 years. So next question is author of the book Shameless. So Shameless book it is written by Taslima Nasrin, and she is a Bangladeshi writer. So next question is which state tied up with Google to build geotag community kitchen? So why this is being done? As COVID-19 is a pandemic everywhere, so India also taking various steps. So here in this geotag community kitchen, so here packets will be provided those are not getting food at this time. So the answer is Uttar Pradesh government started this. So here is Uttar Pradesh. Yogi Adityanath is the CM of Uttar Pradesh. Anandiben Patel is the governor, and the capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow, which is near Gomati river. And the folk dance of and also classical dance of India, Kathak. Kathak is the classical dance and also the folk dance of Uttar Pradesh. So the in major rivers Ganga, Yamuna, Ghagar, Gomati and Betwa are the major rivers of Uttar Pradesh. So next question is COVID-19 Madad helpline started by which state government? So here in this helpline a person or individual call with a helpline number which is a 10-digit helpline number, and if there is any symptom with him or her, and he can consult with this and also get treatment online. So the answer is Maharashtra. Maharashtra government started COVID-19 Madad. And here is Maharashtra. Maharashtra CM is Uddhav Thackeray. Governor is Bhagat Singh Koshiyari. Capital is Mumbai. Rivers are Godavari, Krishna, Narmada, and folk dance of Maharashtra is Lavani. So next question is who has been chair ASEAN by 2020? So ASEAN is an international organization. So ASEAN's full form is Association of Southeast Asian Nations. The total member of ASEAN is 10, and this year 2020 it is chaired by Vietnam. So here is ASEAN. It is formed in the year 8 August 1967, and here are the 10 members: Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, Brunei, Laos, Myanmar, Cambodia and Vietnam. Headquarter of ASEAN is in Jakarta, Indonesia. So next question is which state government started E-Sanjeevani OPD? So it is online initiative by the Himachal Pradesh government. So the answer is Himachal Pradesh which started E-Sanjeevani OPD. So here free online medical consultation to sick people will be given. And about Himachal Pradesh, Trivendra Singh Raut is the CM, Baby Rani Moria is the governor. The capital, there are two capitals of Himachal Pradesh. One is Simla, another is Dharmshala. If the question is what is the summer capital, you will answer it Simla. S for Simla, S for summer. And if it is winter capital, you must answer Dharmshala. So the major rivers are Beej, Satluj, Chenab, Yamuna, Ravi, and the folk dance of Himachal Pradesh is Nati. So next question is which IIT developed ward boat for COVID-19 patients? And the answer is IIT Ropar. So what is this ward boat? So when a doctor or nurse providing medicine to the patients, there is a possibility of risk to get infected. So here deliver medicine and food to COVID-19 patients in isolation wards without human intervention. So without human intervention, if we did this, then the doctors and nurses will not be affected. So IIT Ropar is in Punjab. So it started or developed ward both for COVID-19 patients. So next question is, which state government started Smile project for e-learning? Here is E means electronic learning, so online learning. So the answer is Rajasthan. And here is Smile. It is also known as social media interface for learning engagement. Is a digital platform to provide online courses and classes through various platforms for social media in all the government schools of the state. So in the all government schools, through the social platforms, the government will provide e-learning to the students. So the state is Rajasthan, and the CM of Rajasthan is Ashok Gehlot. Governor is Kalraj Mishra, and capital is Jaipur, and the folk dance of Rajasthan is Kalbela. So next question is, who has been appointed as the new secretary of President Ramnath Kovind? So all we know, Ramnath Kovind is the 14th president of our country, India. So here a new secretary appointed to our beloved president, and he is Kapil Dev Tripathi. So you must remember, and here is 14th president of India, and he is Ramnath Kovind, and he is from Uttar Pradesh. So his native state is Uttar Pradesh. So next question is, which state government developed a chatbot for Facebook to answer questions on COVID-19? As COVID-19 became a pandemic, so various peoples affected in India. There are more than 20,000 people were affected. So it's necessary to know about the symptoms, what is happening, and you must. And here the state Punjab started or developed a chatbot with Facebook, so that a patient or an individual will interact with some consultants who will provide information about the symptoms. Okay, so here is Punjab. The CM of Punjab is Amrinder Singh. Governor is VP Singh Bandor, and capital is Chandigarh. And here are the major rivers: Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Satluj, and Beas. And the folk dance of Punjab is Bhangra. Next question is, which state government has launched COVID-19 Yuddha Kalyan Yojana? So the answer is Madhya Pradesh. So Yuddha Kalyan Yojana, here the Anganwadi workers will be provided rupees 50 lakhs insurance cover, because they are providing services to the at this peak time. So it's a very good step by the Madhya Pradesh government to start Yuddha Kalyan Yojana. So here is Madhya Pradesh. CM is Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Governor is Lalji Das Tandon. Capital is Bhopal, and the major rivers are Narmada, Chambal, and Betwa. So the next question is, in which country Facebook introduced third party fact check system? So all of you know the CEO of or the founder of Facebook is Mark Zuckerberg. And what is this third party fact check system? Where fake news will be tracked in this system, and the country which introduced this is Bangladesh. So about Bangladesh capital is Dhaka, currency is Taka, and the Prime Minister of Bangladesh is Sheikh Hasina. So next question is, who formed Team Mask Force to raise awareness against COVID-19? So the answer is BCCI. So the Cricket Control Board of India is BCCI, and they take various or important players like Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli, and other players, and make a team to start use masks, so that people will be aware about the use of mask. So here is BCCI, Board of Control for Cricket in India, and the president of BCCI is Saurav Ganguly, secretary is Jay Shah, and CEO is Rahul Johri. So the last question of this discussion is, Indian tricolor is projected on the Matterhorn mountain. This mountain is situated in. So Indian tricolor, Indian flag projected in the Matterhorn mountain, because India is taking various steps to control and to take measures to control COVID-19 pandemic. So for that, India's tricolor is projected on the Matterhorn mountain in Switzerland. So the answer is Switzerland. So not only India, also various countries, those are taking various steps to control COVID-19. They will be given priority and their flags projected in the Matterhorn mountain. And about Switzerland, the capital is Bonn, currency is Swiss franc, and here are the WHO, FIFA, ILO, WMO, WEF, IUCN. These important international organizations headquarters is also in Switzerland in Geneva. Okay, so thank you so much for watching your channel. Kindly subscribe CS Patnaik CP classes for next videos. Stay tuned to this channel.